All right, today I'm going to show you how to clean a Bosch dishwasher filter. So the dishwasher filter is inside of the dishwasher, of course. I'm going to show you how to clean it and get it to smelling great. A lot of times when you have a Bosch dishwasher, it accumulates a smell and you want to get rid of it. Well, this will help alleviate the smell as well as get rid of debris that could be causing your dishwasher from not functioning properly, and as well can extend the longevity of your dishwasher. So what I'm going to do is I have the dishwasher open. As you can see, it's totally empty. And if you look right here, I have two different types of pods right here. One, I have a Cascade Platinum pod, good for washing the dishes. But if you look to the right, I have a Finish dishwasher cleaning tab. Now this is good for removing limescale and debris from out of your dishwasher. These are both essential for cleaning the dishwasher and removing junk from out of your dishwasher that you don't want. Now, on to the filter. So I'm gonna open up the dishwasher. You can see it's totally empty. I removed everything from out of it, okay? And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come down here and I'm going to look down here, and this is where the filter is located. You have a metal mesh right here to prevent certain things from flowing down the air, and then you have a plastic, I would say, filter part right here. Now I'm going to have to remove this. Now what I'm going to do is, you can see this is lined up right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and twist that, and then I'm going to line the sprayer, make sure the sprayer is right there out of the way, and I'm going to lift up on this, and you can see right here there is the filter right here. It is dirty. We're going to clean this. But before we get to cleaning the filter, you want to make sure that you wipe up any type of debris that is looking like it's about to fall down into this hole right here. And you also want to check down in there to make sure no debris is inside of that. If you see some food particles or anything like that, go ahead and take those out. All right. So once you've done that, we're going to go ahead and take the filter, and I'm going to bring it over here to the sink right here. And so once I have it over to the sink, I'm going to go ahead and disassemble this. All right, so now to disassemble this, if you can see right here, here is the filter right here, the mesh filter that I was talking about earlier right here. And then you have this fine mesh, metal mesh right here that also needs cleaning. And I'm going to show you a little bit with this. But first, I'm going to go ahead and take this apart. And you're going to simply take it by taking it like this and twisting it. And then actually just pulling on it to a little bit. You can see right here, there is a lot of debris that has been caught up in here. This needs to be removed. All right, so you have the debris right here. All of this is just food particles that need to be removed. And if you look closely, this mesh can also be clogged up. Now, there's a couple of options if this is clogged up. You can try to scrub it with a toothbrush. I have a toothbrush right here to scrub to get rid of some of this. But sometimes, depending on your dishwasher, your water source, you could get a lot of calcium buildup. And in order to remove that, you're going to have to either soak this in with vinegar for a while, maybe a couple hours, maybe 30 minutes, maybe overnight. Soak this in a bucket of vinegar or a bowl of vinegar to get rid of it. Or you can go ahead and get a new one of these filters right here to attach to the big part of the filter. Both options work, but I'm going to go ahead and show you how to clean it with just the tools that I have right now. So I don't have a lot of calcium buildup. I'm just going to try to remove some of this debris right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and turn on the faucet, and for a lot of times you can just simply just rinse off a lot of this debris and it is all good. But if you look right here, I have some caked up food particles in here that I need to be removed. Now, I'm basically going to go ahead and take my old toothbrush right here, put a little bit of dish detergent on it like this, and then I'm just going to scrub around just like this, getting all sides of this mesh filter right here. So I'm going to go ahead and do this like that. Make sure you get around both the top right here and the bottom. I guess they're both tops and bottoms right here. It's interchangeable. And I'm just going to go ahead and take the brush and go in back and forth just like this inside of the filter like that. You see that? And this gets rid of a lot of the debris. Now, if you have calcium buildup, you may want to soak this in vinegar to dissolve the calcium. But a lot of times, you could just simply scrub it with the brush, and it gets rid of the particles like this. So you want to make sure you remove all of the detergent right here. You don't want to go back into your dishwasher with the Dawn right here, this detergent in here. You don't want to go back in there with that because you can cause a lot of suds to build up. So you see right here, I removed all of the debris that was here. I'm going to go over here twice to make sure I get rid of all of it. Simply scrub right here, and it really gets rid of a lot of that. So I'm going to go ahead and rinse this. Make sure it's thoroughly rinsed. And then I'm going to go ahead and take a look at this. Now this part right here, all you have to do is pull this out. There's some latches underneath. You can just press on it and it comes out right here. You can see that there's debris along the rim of this metal mesh part of the filter. And I'm just going to take the brush and go over it like this, back and forth like that, and simply rinse this. This is the easy part of it right here. So I'm going to do that. Make sure that's thoroughly rinsed. And then the last piece, you want to make sure that this is clean right here. Now, this piece tends to collect oil on it. For some reason, it gets really slippery and it's like oily. So having the dish detergent on the toothbrush can help remove some of the oil that has adhered to this part of the filter. And you just take the brush and simply go on this and get rid of it. I mean, it's not too bad of a problem if there's oil on it, but you want to make sure that all the food particles are removed from this part of the filter. All right, so go ahead and do that. And I'm going to go ahead and reattach it. Now remember, just go ahead and pop this into place right here. And then you'll take the bottom part of the filter, or the filter right here, turn the water off, and just simply attach it, and it clicks into place because there's latches right here. So once you have that, you're going to go ahead and put this back inside of the dishwasher. Now that the filter is clean, I'm going to go ahead and place this back into the dishwasher. Now it's like putting together a puzzle, a fairly simple puzzle. Just simply place this back in there like that. And then you want to secure it back into place to make sure the filter is back in there properly. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this and you're going to twist it until it aligns back up with the arrows right there. So now that the filter's clean and in place, we're going to go ahead and go to the next step. Now the next step is, do you remember the Cascade pod that I had right here and the Finish dishwasher cleaning tab? Now with this is what you're going to do. You're going to go ahead and take the Finish dishwashing cleaning pack and just throw it or place it down at the bottom of the dishwasher. Now that you have that, you're going to go ahead and load your dishes. You can go ahead and load dishes inside of the dishwasher. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and load into the dishwasher. And with Finish cleaning tabs, which I have down in there, you're allowed to put the dishes in there and run it with it, and it actually cleans. Now that I have the Finish dishwasher cleaning tab in there, I'm going to go ahead and add the regular Cascade Platinum pod into the compartment like I normally would. Now this isn't a full load. I could go ahead and load a full load, but I don't have that many dirty dishes. But for the sake of the video, I'm just going to do it like this. I'm going to go ahead and put this in here, close it, and then run the dishwasher like you normally would. So I'm going to go ahead and go on, and I'm going to go to normal, and then I'm just going to sanitize just for the giggles, I guess. So I have that, and then I'm just going to run it like normal and go ahead and press start, and this will clean the filter and the dishwasher. I hope this was helpful. Did that wrong. Press start, press it quickly. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.